Hi everybody, I'm John Gleason and this is the UDOT Construction Update. In Riverdale, northbound I-15 is scheduled to close this Friday night and Saturday night between Riverdale Road and the I-84 on-ramp. Now the northbound lanes will close starting at 10 p.m. and we expect all lanes to reopen again by 8 a.m. Saturday and then again 9 a.m. on Sunday. Now during this closure, all northbound traffic will be detoured off the freeway at Riverdale Road and then back onto the freeway again using I-84. Our crews will be repairing sections of concrete in the area, and it's never a good idea to have cars drive over wet concrete. Now this work is all part of the I-15 Express Lanes project, which is widening and repairing I-15 to extend the express lanes from Layton to Riverdale. Now work on this project should be completed by next year. And here in Utah County, our Technology Corridor project is heading into the home stretch. Just yesterday, our crews opened up the new flyover ramp from 2100 North to southbound I-15. Now this ramp should really help traffic flow more smoothly in the area and reduce delays. It's also designed to be able to match up with the future Mountain View Corridor freeway without needing to be rebuilt. Another ramp is scheduled to open tomorrow night, and this one will connect Thanksgiving Way to southbound I-15. These new ramps will really improve traffic flow in this growing area of the Silicon Slopes. The Technology Corridor project is getting close to completion, and between now and late fall, several more improvements are scheduled to open in the area. Now, for more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can always download our free UDOT traffic app.